If you're getting a purchase error on the Google Play Store, there are a few things you can check to fix the problem. First, tap on your Google profile icon in the Play Store and go to Payments and Subscriptions, then select Payment Methods. If you have a credit or debit card saved, try removing it and adding it again. After updating your payment information, attempt the purchase once more. If the error continues, the issue may be with the card itself. Make sure you have sufficient funds available, and that the card details are entered correctly. Some banks also block online or international transactions by default, which can prevent purchases through Google Play. If you have another payment method available, try using a different card to see if the purchase goes through. Another fix is to update the Play Store. Tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then About, and select Update Play Store. If an update is available, install it and try your purchase again. You should also make sure your Google Play account country matches your current location and payment method, as region mismatches can sometimes trigger purchase errors. After making these changes, restart your device and try completing the purchase again. If you're still unable to make purchases, contact Google Play support or your bank for additional assistance. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.